What's up, everybody? We've got one more little unboxing here. This is a continuation from the last one, so we'll get this open pretty quickly here. This is, again, Allie Gunn from Whatnot. Go follow Allie. Go check out her Whatnot stream. Get yourself a deal. Get yourself some nice, clean cards. One of my favorites here. This is the 151 illustration rare War Turtle. Love this card. What else we have? Got a couple more in here. Oh, just the one. Oh, no, we got a couple. Oh, that's right. Big Boy Blastoise. Big Boy Blastoise and War Turtle. Two of my favorites going on the back wall into the PC forever. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Appreciate you all.